Aloha, my name is Eddie Garcia and I'm with Regenerative Education Centers. We would like to thank the Hawaii Community Foundation for all the support they provided in the immediate aftermath of this tragic event. The grant that Regenerative Education Centers received from Hawaii Community Foundation's Maui Strong Fund allowed us to provide critical resources to the affected Lahaina community in the immediate aftermath of the tragedy. Our specific activities include the following. It has helped lay the foundation for our ability to support long-term recovery. We provided immediate support and facilitated communication for displaced families, distributed substantial quantities of food and water, set up essential utilities, and transformed a bare lot into a multifaceted relief center. The Relief and Recovery Center provided essential services like food, water, power, communication, and bathrooms to displaced families. It also served as a logistical hub for relief efforts, supplies, delivery, organization, and has functioned as a community gathering place, offering a sense of normalcy and support. We acquired trailers to deliver urgent supplies, including food, water, medical supplies, and insulin to areas north of Lahaina. When supply deliveries were no longer needed, the trailers were used to transport building materials, and the 5 trailers have been built out into mobile shower, bathroom, and kitchen units for our tiny homestead project. We have been able to use our land for temporary storage and staging of heavy machinery, which provided immediate support to the Truth Excavation team, who has battled the fires and has been vital to hazard removal and environmental control measures. We have also undertaken major agricultural initiatives, planting and harvesting local foods using regenerative farming methods for current and future distribution to families in need. Our program has attracted support from other organizations who have been instrumental in providing immediate relief and have helped to lay the foundation for long-term solutions for the displaced families, demonstrating a holistic approach to disaster response and community rebuilding. Through our housing list, we have been able to send more support from other organizations, multiplying support for those in need. We provided immediate support to the fire victims and have successfully enrolled 265 and counting displaced families to our free Tiny Homestead program, which provided immediate assistance and will provide long-term housing solutions to those in need. Over a span of 45 days, approximately 3,600 meals, 10 pallets of bottled water were distributed to those in need, and 6 pod containers along with various U-Haul trucks worth of non-perishable food supplies were distributed to families in need. We distributed 150 gallons of gas and 80 propane tanks, plus an additional 600 gallons of gas for generators to maintain essential services and aid in recovery efforts. A mobile solar array and batteries, along with Starlink high-speed internet, were set up to provide an average of 10 people a day, around 400 to 500 people in total, with access to a charging station and vital communication resources. In the first week after the fire, this was often how families got in contact with their loved ones for the first time. A set of 10 high-end VHF radios was donated to Truth Excavation, a group involved in firefighting, emergency rescue to enhance communication and coordination efforts. We distributed gloves, masks, medical supplies, batteries, lights, and 30 ash sifters to support health and safety of those affected by or adjacent to the burn zones.